Good morning, class. Let us start with our next topic. Today we are going to learn and study about the next very important concept, finding the value of an algebraic expression. Find the value of an algebraic expression. Very important. Till now we have studied what are algebraic expressions. Let's study. What do you mean by this topic? Find the value of an algebraic expression. Any algebraic expression would be given to you. For example, 2n plus 1. Now this is an algebraic expression. Why? Because where constant is there, variable is there, constant is there, arithmetical operation is there. Now, what we have to do to find the value of this algebraic expression, the value of the variable must be given. For example, when n is equal to 2, what we have to do? When n is equal to 2, on substituting, how we will write? On substituting. What do you mean by substituting? This is very important word. Substituting. What do you mean by? A teacher comes to your class for substitution. For example, your class in charge or maybe your subject in charge is absent for that particular day. Somebody else on her behalf or his behalf enters your class as a substitute. So what do you mean by substitute? Substitute means replacement. Okay. On substituting the value of n, we get, this is the best way of representing. You'll be getting full marks if you write this way. On substituting the value of n, we get, now 2, what is the value of n? N is equal to 2, put the value plus 1. Now solve it, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. What is the answer? Answer is 5. So see, algebraic expression is converted into a number. It's not easy to read an algebraic expression. For a person who is not very acquainted with maths, who is not very familiar with algebraic expression, for him how he will read? For him he'll read 2n plus 1, but he'll not able to understand the importance of this, that this is known as an algebraic expression. In that particular case, if we put the value of this variable and we solve, we get the answer 5. This 5 is particularly applicable for everyone. Everyone can read. Even one who is not good in maths, he even can read that this is 5. This is what is the benefit. Why? Because what is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is the combination of variables plus constants plus arithmetic operations, right? So, if we know the value of this variable, we can convert, knowing the value of variable, we can convert this arithmetic, this algebraic expression into a number which can be understandable by anyone. This is what is the importance of this topic, finding the value of an algebraic expression. So what we have to do, an algebraic expression would be given to us. By putting the value of that variable, we'll be getting answer into numbers. That can be positive, that can be a negative number. That's not an hindrance to it. Are we clear with this? Let's solve the exercise. Let's open your books with the exercise 12.3. Let's do it. First question. If value of m, question number 1, if m is equal to 2, find the value of. I am doing one part because rest of the parts you can do. I am doing fourth part. And what is fourth part? Fourth part is 3n square minus 2m minus 7 or maybe plus 7, whatever. I think it's minus 7. Okay, it's minus 7. Minus 7. Okay. M value. See, first of all we have to see. I'll give you a few instructions about this, the important information. First of all, how many terms are there in this algebraic expression? How many terms? There are 3 terms, right? So it is a trinomial. Do this exercise daily. Whenever you are solving any algebraic expression question, try to analyze the number of terms. Try to analyze the degree also. Now what is the degree of this polynomial, this algebraic expression or polynomial? The highest power is 2, right? Hence we will calling it as quadratic quadratic polynomial or algebraic expression. I told you earlier also, every polynomial is an algebraic expression, but every algebraic expression is not a polynomial, because for a polynomial, power cannot be negative. This is the important condition. Hence, every polynomial is an algebraic expression, but every algebraic expression is not a polynomial. Clear with this? So it's a quadratic polynomial. Let us solve. Same rule. On substituting the value of m, we get 3, 2 square, 2 into 2 minus 7. What is 2 square? 2 square means 2 into 2, that is 4. So 4, 2 into 2 minus 4 minus 7. What is this? 3 into 4, 12, 4 minus 7. Now 12 minus 4, 8, 8 minus 7, 1. What is the answer? Answer is 1. Can you see? Means it seemed that such a big algebraic expression, but the answer is very simple. Answer is 1. So can you see the benefit of this? Such a big algebraic expression is converted into a one-digit number. This is what is the benefit of this topic. Clear? Question number 2, you can do it yourself, that's not a problem. Again, we have to substitute the value and we have to solve. Question number 3, very easy. Again, same thing. You have to substitute the value. The whole exercise is based on substitution only. You have to substitute and you have to solve. Why I am not doing each and every part? Because then it's like the complete exercise I have done and you haven't done anything. I don't want to do it. Practice. In case you face any problem, feel to come and call. Okay. Question number 4. If a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 2, find the value. Now you might be thinking there is a change in a question. No. Question is same. We have to substitute the value. But the thing is, now two variables are given. In 1, 2, 3 question, the variables, only one variable was given and we have to substitute the value of that variable only. But in question number 4, we have been given two variables, a whose value is 2 and b whose value is minus 2. So it can be an algebraic expression can contain any number of variables. That is very important thing. We cannot say that our algebraic expression must contain only one variable. That particular concept you will going to study in class 9 in the chapter called polynomials in one variables. That you will going to do in class 9. So there you will study if the algebraic expression or polynomial contains only one particular variable, it must contain that variable only. That is what is the most important condition for that particular chapter. Okay, let's do the second part. That is a square plus ab plus b square. Again, this rule is very simple. On substituting the values of a and b, we get, because we have two variables, we have to do it accordingly. So it's 2 square plus 2 minus 2 minus 2 whole square. What is the main problem that students normally, or the main blunder or error they commit? What they do is they think that 2 and minus 2 will cancel each other because it's plus 2 and it's minus 2. See, a in b means a multiplied with b. This is very important. I told you earlier also, they are in multiplication with each other. Hence, these two numbers are also getting multiplied. What is 2 square? We know that 2 square is 4. Now you might be thinking minus 2 square. Since minus sign is there, minus 2 square will be minus 4. No, I told you in exponent and powers, if your base is negative and your power is an even number, the result is always positive. Hence, plus 4. Now 2 minus 2, minus 4. Plus minus, cancel out. What is the answer? Answer is equal to 4. Again the benefit. Clear with this? Question number 5, we can do again, very simple. Not a problem for us. Question number 5 you can do. Question number 6, one part I am going to do because there is a change in the question. Understand, the question states that simplify the given expression and hence solve it. Whatever the variable will be given to us, we have to solve it accordingly. But the question is very simple. It states simplify. What do you mean by simplify? Simplify means, what do you mean by simplify? Simplification means you have to get the simplified answer, very simple answer for that. That is what simplification means. So simplify the expression, and on that particular value we have to solve. Let's take one example. I am doing first part only. Question is x plus 7 plus 4 bracket x minus 5. See, what is the benefit of this? Why the question is simplify the expression? See, because if I see I am having x, but this particular algebraic expression contains the brackets. As per the board mass, we need to solve the bracket first. Until and unless we will not solve the brackets, we will not get the simplified answer. You would have done in class 6 board mass, where we did the simplification of integers. Similarly, we have to solve. So first of all, we'll solve the bracket. X plus 7 as it is. Now 4 and this 4x. Now 4 into minus 5, that is minus 20. Now x term together, x plus 4x, 7 minus 20 means bringing the like terms together. X and 4, that is 5x, 7 minus 20, that is 13. We got the simplified expression. One part is solved. Next, second part of the question is find the value if x is equal to 2. Now, if x is equal to 2, we have to find the value. So, how we'll do? On substituting the value of x, we get 5 into 2 minus 13. 10 minus 13. 10 minus 13, that is minus 3. Answer is minus 3. I told you in the starting of the class only that you can have the answers in the negative form. It means you can have the integers. It's not mandatory that every time you will be getting positive answers. Maybe you can get rational numbers, P by Q form. So that's very important. Now some of you might be thinking, so what if we put the value directly without solving it? If we don't simplify, do we be getting different answer or the same answer? Let's check. As per the rule, we'll be getting the same answer. The question is simplify. Why he's demanding? Because with simplification, you have the simple calculations. So to save your time and to save your calculation and the labor, the questioner is asking you that simplify the expression and put the value so that your time and your labor is saved. Now, let's see if we put the direct value in this. Okay, x plus 7 plus 4, x minus 5. Now, let's see 2 plus 7, 4, 2 minus 5. We're putting the value 2 plus 7, that is 9. 4 will solve the bracket. 2 minus 5, that is minus 3. 4 into minus 3, that is minus 12. 9 minus 12, what is the answer? Answer is minus 3. We are getting same answer. Minus 3, minus 3. Answer will not change. Only the thing is, since the person has asked us to simplify, it's a rule you have to solve. If being a teacher, if you are not solving and you are doing it directly, out of 3 I'll give you only 1 mark. I'll give you only 1 mark. Because for me the question is simplify. Many students do this way only. They put the correct value and get the answer. In that way, they'll be getting only 1 mark out of 3. If the question is for 3 marks, they'll be getting 1 mark. If the question is of 4 marks, they'll be getting 1.5 mark. Even then, I'm not going to give 2 marks. Okay? Clear with it. Okay, next question number 7. As it is, you can do it. Again, we have to simplify, not a problem. Question number 8. Again, simplification, not a problem. You can do it. Last question, question number 9. See question number 9. Because it's a variant question. See one more time. Right now what we are doing, we are putting the values and we are getting the answers. In this question, the vice versa is given to us. We have been given the value, we have to find the value of that variable. Understand the question. What should be the value of A if the value of, understand, 2x square plus x minus A. The question is, what should be the value of this variable a? In this question, we can see, in this algebraic expression, we can see two variables x and a. When we have to find x and a, either we cannot find the two variables at the same time. For two variables, we must have two equations to solve. If two different variables are there, we need at least two equations to solve. But if one particular equation is given or algebraic expression is given, we have to know the one particular value of one of the variables. Let's see. It is given clearly. What is the value of a when x is equal to 0, and what should be the value of a so that this is equal to 5? Clear? Next, on substituting the value of 0, let's put 2 is equal to 0. 0 minus a is equal to 5. It is 0 because 0 square is 0. 0 into 2, 0. 0 minus a is equal to 5. What is minus a is equal to 5? I told you, here it is minus, it will go that side. I told you it will become minus 5. Hence, answer is minus 5. If we put the value of a minus 5, we'll be getting answer 5. Let's see. 2x square plus x minus 5. Let's put a 0 square 0 minus 5. 0 plus 0 minus minus plus. We are getting 5. Yes, our answer is correct. Clear? Question number 10 also. You can do it. It's exactly same. Solve the expression, find the value. With this, our exercise 12.3 is over, and we'll do exercise 12.3 in the next coming session, which is based on your application. Till then, take care and have a nice day.